Secondly, Daniel, I just don't really know what to buy when I go shopping. Okay, get a piece of paper. Here's how you're gonna make your shopping list. Pick 3 or 4 protein sources: eggs, salmon, mince, chicken, done. Pick a selection of fiber sources: fruit, veg, salad. Pick a few good quality carbohydrates: some porridge, some potatoes, some rice, a good quality loaf of bread. Pick some good fat sources: some avocados, a bottle of extra virgin olive oil, a couple packs of nuts, almonds, Brazil nuts, some oily fish, so you've got protein and healthy fat all in one go. And that's it. That's how to make a shopping list without all the frills, without all the excess, just keeping it down to the bare bones. And the thing about that is, if you make your shopping list via this structure that I put together, when you turn to think about, what about the biscuits and the sweets and the crisps? They don't fit in. They're not a protein, they're not a fiber, and they're not a good quality carb and fat. So more often than not, if you use this to make your shopping list, there's no room for any of the nonsense. Give it a go, let me know how you get on, and if you do need some help, I'm always available and I can help you to put together a nutrition plan personalized to you.